As 2024 winds up, I can't help but think about the tools that have made my life as a DIY mechanic and car owner incredibly easy. These tools have made so much possible that when I think about them, I simply smile and wonder how my DIY repairs and vehicle ownership would have fared without them. Fortunately, these tools are all available at discounted Black Friday prices. This means for a fraction of their regular cost, you can get them for this season if you act fast before the season is over. I'll leave a link to their respective product pages on Amazon in the description below so you can check them out if you are interested. First on my list is the Top Down Top Scan, a cute little Bluetooth powered OBD2 scanner that does much more than what a code reader does. With bidirectional capabilities and the ability to scan almost all vehicle models, including the engine and transmission, this is one scanner that I've always looked forward to and do not regret owning, especially when I need more than mere code reading done. Second on my list is the Answer AD410, which has remained my preferred Groovebox code reader of choice. Rugged and ever reliable, the home of this unit has remained my Groovebox and it has never disappointed me. Deep within me, something tells me that no matter how many cars I eventually buy or code readers that come my way, the AD410 will always have a special place in my daily driver's Groovebox. Third on the list is the Foxware ST201 smoke machine, which has saved me from the infamous evap small leak dictated more times than I can now count. It has also pinpointed several exhaust leaks that would have been impossible to figure out on my own if I hadn't been blessed with such an exact tool. The fact that the unit takes minimal oil and produces enough smoke to help you quickly pin where the leak is exactly coming from is an exciting added bonus. Fourth is the BM300 Pro battery monitor from Ansel. Truth be told, when this unit was shipped, I genuinely wondered how best I would use it. However, when I finally got it, it was a piece of cake. I simply connected it up, downloaded the app, paired the unit to my smartphone via Bluetooth, and all the battery information displayed on demand. Voltage, state of charge, and importantly, historical performances of these metrics. Finally, a means to check battery information without playing around with probes. Finally, the Lightchamp AC recharge kit isn't something I'll forget in a hurry. As a DIY mechanic, you already know that I love to do things on my car directly without involving anyone else. In the summer months, or if you happen to live in the tropics, topping off refrigerant to your AC system is something you'd be grateful to have the ability to do. Why take such a basic matter to the shop or call an AC technician? These are my best auto DIY tools of 2024. As we wrap up the year with thanks and look forward to an exciting and even richer 2025, two things are certain: hope and wrenching. Catch ya on the next one.